Hello and welcome to this Miradi Basics tutorial in which I'll describe the second of 4 videos that answer question 8. Are you using progress and measures info to adapt, and are you sharing project information with important audiences? The previous video introduced Miradi Share and covered project level information. This video describes multi-project or program level information in Miradi Share. Before we get started, make sure to set the video to HD for best playback quality, and also check out the other videos in this playlist that will help you answer each of these questions. You'll find the links to the playlist in the video description below. I'm at the landing page of MiradiShare.org. For this demo, I'm going to switch to the program of the Bush Heritage Organization, and do that by using the Select Program menu at the top and selecting Bush Heritage. We're looking at the program homepage for Bush Heritage. The layout of the program homepage has similarities to the project layout. You can create a slideshow of images that will scroll automatically on the top half of the screen. Over on the left, you'll see a description of the overall program. On the bottom left, there are overall project metrics that you can look at across the program. In this case, we're looking at the activity pie chart, and it shows the activity date for the 80 projects in this program. You can see that the vast majority of them have been updated recently in the last month. On the right-hand side of the page, you can see that they've set up a set of portfolios of projects that make it easy to quickly browse related projects. For example, these are geographically grouped. If I click on Southeast Region Project, it will pull up a table that shows the 7 projects that are in the Southeast region, and I could click on any one of them from this table. I'll return to the program landing page by clicking on Miradi Share. There's an Explore Program menu that has a large number of different program level reports. I'll open one of these, the Factor Summary, where you can rapidly search for information among all of the projects in the program. In the Factor Summary report, you can run searches across targets, threats, objectives, indicators, and other factors and quickly find results. For example, I'll enter the search term feral pigs in the top left search field, and it will search among the almost 6,000 rows and find 16 entries. If I display all of these rows of data, you'll see that they are from different projects in their program and reflect different factor types. I could filter these results to look at a single factor type. For example, if I enter strategy in this search field, it will limit the table to show the 4 cases where feral pigs were listed as either the strategy name or in the strategy details. I'll return to the program homepage by clicking on the Miradi Share logo. You can access all of the program reports via the Explore Program pull-down menu. But Miradi Share also lets you create report highlights that feature key reports, and it makes it easy for visitors to the site to see those reports. For example, I've scrolled down to the progress reports by region, and I'm going to click on the Southeast Region Progress Reports Chart View report. Here I can see the overall status of strategy implementation for the 7 projects that are located in the Southeast region. Putting the cursor over the left-hand axes will show you the full name of each of these projects in the region. This is a drillable dashboard. Clicking on the project name will bring up a dialog box that shows the strategy names grouped by their progress status. If I click on the bars themselves, I'll drill down to look at the details for each of the strategies, which are now listed down the left-hand axes. And what I'm seeing represented by the bars is the progress status of the activities in each of those strategies. And if I clicked on, say, the bar for the strategy of rabbit control, it would bring up a dialog box that would show me the activity progress status grouped by the different status categories. If I was a Bush Heritage staff person, I could click on the little eye icons that you see here and get a descriptive information for the progress ratings, especially those that are having major or minor issues. I'll close out this short video by showing you another one of the programs in Miradi Share. This is the CAML program, or the Conservation Action and Measures Archetype Library. This is an open source library with standard theories of change for common conservation actions. You can read overview information about Camel on the left, but I'll jump straight to the list of projects by clicking on the project. The actions are organized by the IUCN and CMP standard classification of actions, and CAMEL contains illustrative high-level and specific theories of change. For example, I'll open up 4.1, detection and arrest, surveillance and patrols. I'll click on the Explore menu and take a look at the results chain diagrams. You can see a high-level results chain diagram displayed on the left with a general theory of change. And on the right is an example of a specific theory of change with more details. You could download this project to Miradi Desktop and view the specific objectives and performance indicators as a potential starter set for your own project that dealt with this kind of action. That concludes video 8B in the Miradi Basics playlist that briefly describes some of the program level features of Miradi Share. You saw that there was a wide range of program level reports, and I demonstrated the factor summary search that allows you to search for key terms from the details of your Miradi projects. You saw that there were program level dashboards that allow you to drill down to specific projects and explore the details of those projects. In the next video, you'll see one of the newer additions to Miradi Share functions, a new mapping feature that allows you to display your portfolio of projects on a map and to create basic maps showing project boundaries, target and threat and strategy boundaries, and more.